buildup of plaque in this area around the margin where the tooth meets the gum can easily lead to irritation of the gum, a condition known as gingivitis. And you'll probably see it simply as your gums bleed when you brush them. Now, don't ignore this, because gingivitis, when left untreated, and I'm going to give you a simple way in a couple of days to do your own treatment of gingivitis. If you don't deal with it, the problem is that the gums can become swollen and pull away from the tooth, opening up a pocket. And in that pocket, you can get more harmful bacteria, periodontal pathogens that can lead to periodontal disease, and they can cause bone loss, loss of your tooth, and even cause systemic chronic inflammatory conditions of your body. So we must deal with gingivitis. And if you do this quickly, you'll find that it resolves usually within a couple of days. First of all, make sure that you're eating some fresh fruits and vegetables. We want to make certain that you don't have a vitamin C deficiency, which is one of the reasons that gums bleed. Most often, though, what you need to do is massage the gums around the area where it's bleeding. And I'm going to show you how to do this. First of all, I'm going to tell you that I believe you should be using my complete mouth care system. We have a TikTok pinned video with all the products that I recommend. And when you use these in the specific sequence, you will do a number of things. And one of them will be to help you get rid of gingivitis. Now, when you reach the toothbrushing step of the complete mouth care system, and you have wet your toothbrush and you have the Crest cavity protection toothpaste on your brush, then brush around the area where you've seen it bleeding and brush above the tooth on the gum tissue, higher on the upper teeth, lower on the lower teeth. And do this for about 15 seconds on the outside of the tooth. And then you want to brush on the inside surface. This is to stimulate lymphatic drainage and bring nutrients to heal the gum tissue in this area. Then you'll continue brushing your teeth, rinsing with Listerine, rinse the Listerine off with the Act, and you'll be using the Zellies throughout the day after meals and snacks. And the Zellies will help to stop plaque from forming so that you'll be at less risk for gingivitis